Let's start an A320 in 4 minutes. Ensure that the ground power unit is connected to your aircraft. Let's turn on batteries. Turn on external power. Wait for around 15 seconds. Test the fire extinguishing for APU. Good. APU master switch on. Wait a few seconds. Start. Alright, APU avail means it's running on APU, so we do not need external power. Now the method here, we have to turn off all the white lights, so anything shows up like this with white lights, that's a no-no, so we have to turn this off. So we're gonna go left to right, bottom up. Let's go. So crew oxygen supply on, ground control on. This is normal. We have to turn on the IRS system, turn to nav, put strobe on auto, turn on seatbelts, no smoking on auto, emergency exit lights arm, leave APU as is. Okay, check the air conditioning, they're good. Fuel pumps, turn them all on. Hydraulics good. Test fire. Good. Test cargo smoke. Good. Alright, that's all checked out. Circuit breaker is good. Not that you can use them anyway. Double check the QNH or pressure. Ensure flight directors are on. Straights on. Set these whatever you like. I preferably choose art. FCU. Manipulate anything. So if you have your clearance from air delivery, you can change this to the altitude you need. Other than that, if you are using the flight plan, the computer will set these for you. Same thing on the other side. I'll check that landing gears, 3 lights, anti-skid and nose wheel steering is on. Auto brake. If you've already planned out your flight, you should know which to use. Brake pans off. Landing gears down. Quickly check the things here. Since APU's been running for more than a minute, we can turn on APU bleed. Check electrics, hydraulics, air conditioning. Status normal. Sweet. Hey, check frequencies. Turn on everything here. Turn this to auto. Parking brake is on. Engines masters are off. The knob here, the mode selector is on norm. Double check the transponder code and you should be good to go to start the engines. So yeah, after you received push and start clearance from your controller, what you can do, turn on beacon lights, turn on wing, turn on nav and logo to 1. You can use your checklist to ensure that everything's good to go before you start engines, but let's quickly push back. Okay, we're done pushing back. So what you got to do next, once everything is good to go, you have your beacon on, checked everything, you switch the mode selector to ignition start, select engine master 2, flick that on, and monitor your ECAM. You can ignore these, I mean, for me at least. Okay, once it says avail, you should be good to start the next engine, which for my case is engine 1, so we're gonna flip that on. Okay, now that indicates that our engines are started up. You can see our N1 values are stable, everything here not changing as much, so we can flick this back to norm. You can do a quick controls check. I have a side stick with me, so you can do that if you want to. Change your flaps to the position you want them to be. Before you start taxiing, make sure nose lights taxi, and turn on the runway turn-off lights. And you should be good for taxi. Just turn off the APU, turn off APU bleed, and you are good to go. Now, I just want to say that there might be so many flaws with this since I had to pack this all in 2 minutes. If you want to, you can drop any feedback or any things I missed. I'm not a qualified pilot, so I'm just going off of what's I already know. So, yeah.